These are a fake pair of Beats Studio Pros and they cost $30. And these are a real pair of Beats Studio Pros and they cost $300. But are they the same? We will see. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out awesome fake versus real videos in the future. For more videos like this, check out our playlist in the pop-up tag. Okay, this is the format we'll be using. All right, looking at the two side by side, the fake Beats look a little bit different than the real ones, and the real ones have this different looking box, but they have pretty much the same logos and everything like that. Okay, getting off the fake plastic, really loud. All right, opening up the real ones. Ooh, looks like we have some little details there. Okay, unboxing those. The fake one is really hard to open, by the way. I don't know what the deal is, but it like basically I broke it. Okay, opening that up, getting this little paper out, and the cases also look a little bit different. Taking the real ones out, checking those out. We got some nice gray cables, very nice. The fakes are in this little plastic bag, ripping that open. We have some generic cables. All right, now we're gonna pair the two real quick to see how it works out. All right, pairing the originals first. We have the little pop-up that comes up, super cool. Super cool, seems to match the headphones as well, the color, very nice. It's really similar to the AirPods where you go through the whole setup process. We're gonna speed it up, but it goes through the buttons and all the settings that you can have and all the control center and all that good stuff. So super cool what you can do. Now setting up the fakes, we're holding down the power button. It says Bluetooth paired. And we have our own little screen as well, but it does show black Beats Studio Pros where we have the white one, so that's a little interesting. So we're going through right there, okay. We also have the setup screen as well, so that's super duper cool. Then we have the whole Apple integration deal, and yeah, so that was pretty simple. About 2 years ago, this channel that you're seeing right now was deleted off the internet and completely hacked by Russian hackers. At the time, I was on my mission for my church. My brother was running. He thought he completely got the channel eliminated off the internet. Eventually, we were able to get it back. It has taught me firsthand how vulnerable we are on the internet. So that's why I partnered today with NordVPN. They're an awesome VPN service that helps you stay safe on the internet. Basically, it's a VPN that allows you to browse, stream, and game anywhere in the world with complete privacy. It offers over 5,000 servers in over 60 countries, ensuring that you have fast and unrestricted access to all your favorite content. Whether you're on public Wi-Fi or at home, Nord's military-grade encryption protects all of your data so you don't get hacked like me, keeping you safe from all sorts of hackers and malware. It's super to use on any device. Click the link in the description so you can get an exclusive look into pure privacy for your digital life with NordVPN. All right, now I'm going to be going through all the physical differences of the two. Looking at the two side by side, they both do have the Beats logo we can see right here, but it looks like the fake is a lot more faded and you can't see it quite as well. It also doesn't have this little thing right here. The fake has these buttons right here. This is like a power button, volume up and skip song buttons, and this is a mode button for Bluetooth pairing. It does have an LED right here, and the originals have an LED on the other side. Our headphone jack looks a little bit different for both of them as well. This one's right here where the other one is right here. This one has the micro USB charging cable. This looks like it has a little SD card slot. My guess is this can go fully wireless without having to rely on a phone. Oh yeah, you can throw in an SD card right into the side of this one. That's actually kind of crazy. Looks like we don't have this little bar here like we do on the originals. The dimensions are really similar. The ear cups are a lot lower quality feeling. The originals feel a lot better and they don't have this little noise that you have. Also, the fake ones, when they pair, they have this sound. So automatically you can tell they're fake from that. As for the other side, this is where the original Beats have their button. They have 5 little LEDs to show that it's on or off, and the battery life of the actual Beats, and they have their USB-C charging port as well. Obviously the color is a little bit different. As for the actual foam parts, looks like the original feels a little bit more grippy and kind of just more smooth. This one looks like it's just about to come off right here. The real one has some words on the inner part where the fake ones do not. The fake hinge is a lot more, it just sounds a lot more hollow and just kind of cheaper. And like, look at this, it's like, looks like it's already gonna break. And this adjusting part, it's actually fine. Not quite as clean and smooth as the original. The original has more ridges. The original has one main button area, it's right here, and the fakes have all their buttons right around here. And these do fit a little bit better on my ears than these ones do. The fakes are much lighter than the originals. All right, now we're gonna test the audio quality of the two. This is called a Lunir watch band. It's like a zip tie. First, we're gonna start with the real Beats. Let's go. Okay, I got a good gist of it. Those are the real ones. All right, now let's see how the fakes sound here. They definitely don't fit as good. I can already tell that. All right, when it comes to the audio quality, the originals definitely sound a lot better. The ear cups kind of surround your ears a little bit better, and so they kind of hold in the music better. It doesn't bleed as much. They're just a little bit crispier on all ends. It doesn't sound as hollow. Fakes do sound a little bit more hollow, but overall, I mean, you can hear the music. Like, obviously, the real ones do sound a lot better. Okay, another part I want to test is the ambient mode and the noise cancellation. So I'm gonna be throwing some stuff on the speaker on my computer right here. I want to see how the headphones can react in these situations to give a better listening experience. Here's the crowd noise. Okay, now for the fakes. As for the noise cancellation and the ambient mode in the real beats, they're pretty good. I mean, it's fine. I'd say the AirPods Max are definitely a lot better, and like AirPods in general, they do a lot better job of that, the noise canceling and all of the ambient mode. As for the clones, they're awful. They don't have any noise canceling, no ambient mode, and they barely even seal off my ears, and so honestly, they're not very good. The ear cups are kind of small, so they're kind of really crushed up against your ears. All right, so on my head right now are the Beats Studio Pros, and this is my quality you expect from them. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you can hear my voice loud and clear. I'll also be including the stadium crowd effect noise in the background, and let's see how this does. Ready, get set, go. All right, so now we have the stadium crowd effect noise in the background. This would be if I were to be like on a phone call or a FaceTime or anything like that. This is my quality you expect from them. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you can hear my voice loud and clear. All right. All right, so now in my ears are the fake Beats Studio Pros, and this is my quality case from them. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you can hear my voice loud and clear, but we'll also be including the same crowd effect noise in the background to see how it does with that. Ready, set, go. All right, so now I have the same crowd effect noise on in the background. This is my quality case from them. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you hear my voice loud and clear. So yeah, just making sure it's coming from the right place. But yeah, anyways, these are the fake Beats. All right, when it comes to the specs of the Beats Studio Pros and versus these fakes, the fakes really claim to have all the same specs as the real Beats Studio Pros. So I'll just be telling you the specs for the Beats Studio Pros, and you can take all that with a grain of salt for these fakes. They say they have active noise cancellation, transparency mode, up to 40 hours of listening time. They have lossless USB-C audio, personalized spatial audio, and they're compatible with Apple and Android. They have a 40mm active driver, which enhances clarity. They have industry-leading Class 1 wireless Bluetooth, 3.5mm analog input for wired audio. They have 24 hours of listening time with ANC. 10 minutes of charge up gives up to 4 hours of playback, and they have a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Okay, first you're gonna start with this one, okay?
They sound really good. Those ones sound like you can hear the sound moving, kind of like left and right. It sounds like surround. It's not like directly in your ears. It sounds like it's surround in the room, and I feel like it had pretty good like levels with the trebles and basses.
Okay, now try these ones.
Those sound a lot more muffled and definitely not as high quality as the first ones. Like, you can't really make out the words very well, and it doesn't sound like surround sound. It sounds like it's coming directly like into your ears, which can be a lot. So I'm gonna guess that these ones are real and these ones are fake.
All right, Bentley is gonna give us his opinion on the audio quality. These are the real Beats right here.
Real Beats. That's some good audio quality right there.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's the lows are low, the highs are high. Very clear, crisp audio on them.
All right.
Straight off the bat, these things are so freaking light. Ooh, it sounds like a... yeah, really hollow. It's like really weird. Not good.
All right, so in conclusion, are these two the same? In reality, they really are not. The fake Beats are a lot worse, a lot cheaper quality, and they don't sound as good, and all around, they don't work as well at all. And the real ones, they are a lot better. Honestly, still not my favorite. I'd probably not buy these. Even if I had the chance, I'd probably buy some Sonys or some AirPods Max. But overall, they're not horrible, and the fakes are pretty awful. So I wouldn't buy them even if you were thinking about it. So yeah. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe for more awesome content like this. And yeah, peace.